what's up YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again, and I'd like to talk to you today about why you should not be afraid of credit repair. So, some of you guys are probably worried out there, concerned, you're getting collection calls, you're worried about your repo, you're worried about whatever it is on your credit. Don't worry, because the law is on your side, okay? The law is on your side. You've got FACTA, you've got the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, you've got the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and I teach you all these things in my ebooks and videos and my courses and the letters that you can get at 609creditrepair.com, right? But if you need me, you can email me and I can teach you as well, right? Now, if you need us to do it, we can do it for you. So there's nothing to worry about, there's nothing to sweat. Some of you guys have talked about being concerned, is someone gonna come after me? Well, hey, if it's outside the statutes of limitation, check your state, check your local state, statutes of limitation. If it's outside the statutes of limitation, if the debt is outside of that, they can't come after you, they can't sue you. So sit back, relax, don't sweat it. Now, if they are inside the statutes of limitations and they do come after you, you get yourself a lawyer. They will fight you for you. They will, because I've had it happen to me, and I got a lawyer and they helped me out a ton. And you know what? It was dismissed. I was fortunate. Many people have had great success if a collector were to come after them and sue, because a lot of times they don't have any proof. They don't necessarily have the right license to be collecting in your state, and a lot of the times it's so old they've lost whatever it is that they have that could possibly prove anything against you, and you are innocent until proven guilty. So don't worry about it. So relax. Take it easy. I get pumped up and passionate about it and fired up because I like helping you guys out. But you should just relax, because the law is on your side. If you need help, shoot me an email, comments, like. All right, subscribe, guys.